Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW M3 bonnet. First, find the primary release lever, typically located on the driver's side near the footwell. Give it a firm pull. You should hear a click as the first latch releases. This action partially unlatches the bonnet, preparing it for the next step. Now, let's move to the front of your vehicle to find the secondary release mechanism. Once you're at the front of your M3, look directly above the kidney grille. You'll need to reach your hand into the gap between the bonnet and the grille. Carefully feel around for small, often plastic, lever or handle. Depending on your specific M3 model, this secondary release might be slightly to the left or right of the center. It's usually quite small and tucked away.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. On another note, while you're keeping your M3's engine bay spotless, why not let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keep your home just as clean? It features voice control, self-emptying, and is totally pet-friendly. It's like having a pit crew for your floors. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
With your fingers on the secondary lever, either push it to the side or pull it upwards, depending on its design. You'll feel the bonnet spring up a few inches, confirming it's fully unlatched. Now, gently lift the bonnet all the way up. Look for the support rod, usually clipped to the underside of the bonnet itself, or sometimes near the engine bay. This rod will hold the bonnet open safely. To secure the bonnet, take the support rod and find the designated hole or slot in the engine bay. This hole is specifically designed to hold the rod firmly in place. Insert the end of the rod into this opening, ensuring it's seated properly. Double-check that the bonnet is stable and won't accidentally fall, giving you safe access to your engine bay for any maintenance or checks you need to perform.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.